Let me show you how you can get your iPhone to remind you about birthdays. There are more ways you can technically do it, but the best one is if you have the person saved in your contacts, which most likely you do. You can go to the Contacts app, locate that person, which is going to be Bob, for example, and click on Edit next to them. And when you go there and edit this, information about them, you can click on Add a Birthday. So it's going to be one of the options. So click on the green plus button and type in the birthday. So for example, I'm going to choose the August 18th, right? And you don't even have to add the year. You can, but if we want to keep it just the month and the date, that's how we keep it. And now we're going to hit done. And we have added the information, the birthday, to Bob, right? And now if we leave the contacts and then go to the Apple Calendar app like this, you can see that upon going to this regular mode, we're going to notice that on the August 18th, we have the Bob's birthday in there. So as you can see, it just jumps right into it. So this is how you can make sure that you get this event like birthdays in the Apple Calendar, right? You can also manage your calendars in here and make sure that the birthdays are checked, because otherwise you will not be able to see them. But that's how you can essentially make sure that you have the birthday calendars. And when it comes to notifications and being notified about it, and in order to get the reminders about it, you can go to the settings, tap on the notifications and click on a calendar and make sure that you have notifications allowed. And when you click on customize notifications, make sure that the upcoming events and everything is turned on, so you get the pop-up about a notification about the upcoming birthday. So that's how you can do it and how you can automate it. But if you would like to have a manual approach, what you can do is also utilize the calendar. Like we can inside of the calendar, but you do it everything on your own, like you do it manually. For example, on the 20th of August, I'm just going to click on a plus and type it in manually. I don't know, the John's birthday, right? I just choose it as an example. We're going to choose it as the all-day event and make sure that it repeats every year. Now it's going to be set up like this, like an event on my calendar, but we can choose the alert to be on the day of the event or one day before. Let's say we choose one day before at 9 a.m. and the second alert is going to be on the actual date of the event. So that's how we can do this. We just click on it done, and you can see that on the August 20th, we have the John's birthday added in here, and it's going to remind me on the day of the event and one day before. So as you can see, it's pretty nice, and we have also set it up the same way but manually, right? So these are the two main options how you can get your iPhone to remind you about the birthdays. Let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.